Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So personally, I'm kind of fed up with the whole huge push for EVs, hybrid, just electric vehicles. I'm kind of tired of that whole push. It just feels like no matter which way you look nowadays, that is being crammed down your throat. And things like this, the big thirsty V8, the gas guzzlers of the world, are almost being demonized. And I hate that. Because, I mean, yeah, well, depending on who you talk to and how educated you are, you'll know that putting those together and putting the batteries together for those is almost equally harmful to the environment. So that is always the age-old debate. I won't open up that can of worms. But when it comes down to just having that rugged reliability and the greatest peace of mind, that Sienna will never offer me that. Neither did the IForce Max in my 2023 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro or my 2023 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro. Neither of those offered me the same peace of mind that this brute here, this 200 series Land Cruiser, offers me. And personally, I mean, just the way that makes you feel while you're driving it, just knowing that if things hit the fan and you need a bug out vehicle, this is for sure the vehicle to do that. And you'll never be able to do that in a electric vehicle or a hybrid vehicle, something where, you know, with the push of a button, you can easily turn that off from afar. Where that's not the case with these older brutes, the older tech, right? So because of that, not because of that, but because of that mindset and that huge push for EVs, that's almost kind of, I don't know, it's a big turnoff for me for the whole EV segment. I love 36 miles to the gallon, just like the next guy. Don't get me wrong. I appreciate that. I appreciate, saving my bank account a little bit of money every time I hit the pump. I appreciate that. But the reliability of this 5.7 liter V8, that is much better. I prefer that. I'd rather spend a few additional bucks at the pump than have any kind of questionable tech issues that you may find within a hybrid or EV power plant, right? So I'm going to stick with the old trusty here. They're becoming a dying breed. It's an old dinosaur at this point. And really, with how much those are being crammed down our throats right now, I would argue that now is the best time to be buying these vehicles. Now is the best time to be buying a fifth generation 4Runner with that thirsty 4-liter V6. I do think it is the best time to do it because, well, people are going to be wanting this sooner than later because that is all we will have. That's going to be our entire option, or all of our options are going to be that. So get these while you can. Personally, I'm going to be selling this off here in a few seconds, and I've already purchased two vehicles that are the furthest thing from this Sienna here. I'll walk out here. It's kind of windy, guys, but so I bought two vehicles that are quite literally the furthest things possible from a hybrid Toyota Sienna here. Okay, so this works well for the family, for kiddos, young kiddos. Any minivan will always work well for you. But what I bought are two bulletproof brutes, right? And I'm not going to hint at it too much more than that, but just know that they're even more brutish than the Land Cruiser over there, and I should be getting them here within the next week or so. So I'm very excited to get them. Both of them are extremely bare bones and extremely basic, but both of them are notoriously the most reliable vehicles within their segment. So I'm excited to get them, excited to share it with you guys. Let me know what your guesses are in the comments below. But there you have it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are on just the huge push for EVs and hybrid power plant vehicles. Now, are you for it? Are you with it? Are you like me? Are you old school at this point and preferred the older, reliable vehicles like the 200 series here? So I'll wrap up the video there. Kind of turned into a little bit of a rant, but wanted to share that with you guys, especially just a few days before the Sienna replacements arrive. So appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.